Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the between operator in MySQL Workbench. So let's start the code now. So I have already created a database, so I'll be using the database demo. Actually I have created a database demo earlier, so I'll be using the database. So I'll be using, let me show you the tables. What are the tables? Then it will be clear to you. So here all these tables are there. I'll be using EMP. So select star from EMP. So these are all the details of the table EMP. All the inside of the table. EMP ID, EMP name, phone, salary, department. So all the values are there inside the table EMP. So what I'll be doing, I'll be using between operator to write some queries. So select. So I'll be checking if the salary is between 15 to 22,000. So I'll be getting the list of all the employees whose salaries in between 15,000 to 22,000. So select star from EMP where salary between 15,000 and 22,000. Okay, let's execute the code. Control plus enter. So it got executed perfectly. So here you can see all the employees name or employees details are there whose salary is between 15,000 and 22,000. So all the values are there. It has included 22,000 also. So if you are using in between, then it will be considering this one is a lower limit and this one is upper limit. So it will be considering all the values including the limit. So let's use. So here you can, what we can do, so another query is another operator is there, like between, the opposite of between, not between. So all the details of the employees will be coming whose salary is not between 15,000 and 20,000 if you are using not between. Let's execute this code. So here you can see one employee is there whose salary is 12,000 and one employee is there, manager, salary 50,000. So we have used till now between operator and the opposite of between, not between operator. So there are two operators, between, not between operators. So we'll be using between operator in text. So select star from EMP. So let me show you the table. So what I'll be doing, I'll be checking all the employee name whose employee names start from Deepika and between Karthik or Seema. Let's take Seema. So all the details of the employee name between Deepika and Seema. So select star from EMP where EMP underscore name between. So I'll be using text, so it should be in inverted commas. So first one will be Deepika and Seema. Let's take Seema. Sorry, Seema. So let's execute the code now. Oh, sorry, let me order by. So let's do order by. If you are using only order by, then it will be considering in ascending order. If you are specifying DESC, then it will be in descending order. Order by descending. Sorry. So we are getting all the details. So it is in descending order. So Seema is coming first. Samuel, Rohit, Raju, Ravi, Raju, Karthik and Deepika. So these are all the employee names. So if I am not giving DESC, so it will be coming in the reverse order. So Deepika will be first, then Karthik, Raju. So let's execute now. So here you can see. So this was the video showing how to use between operator, not between operator, and how to use the between operator in text. So we have the last part which we have done now is the between operator using text. So we have used text, Deepika and Seema. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.